If there's one thing that makes me feel so embarrassed, it's my swimming skills. So today you guys are going to see the reality of what I mean. I am one of those kids who grew up swimming inside the river and not inside the swimming pool. I know how to survive inside the moving water, but it's been a challenge for me to showcase my swimming skills. And I just feel like I know how to swim. I know how to stay inside the water, but I don't have like good swimming skills. And today you're going to see what I mean by that. So the sun is out. It's beautiful outside here, and I'm going to show you my swimming skills. The swimming pool is here, and today is the day. You guys watch my workout videos, my running videos. I feel like those are the things that I do fairly well in. But when it comes to anything inside the water, it's so hard for me. And I don't know if it's for everyone. If you have experienced the same, please go ahead and comment on this video so that I know that I am not alone. Because how can I run 26.2 miles, but I cannot do like 10 laps inside the swimming pool? It doesn't make sense. I know my buoyancy is negative something, negative, I don't know, but I still feel like I should do great when it comes to swimming. So let's go ahead and use the swimming pool. I'm going to I wish I had my drone. It's on the way, it's coming. I'm going to make a video on that and give you guys updates on what went on to the point where I'm getting it back. But let's go ahead and try this. You know, the one thing we do is making sure that the water is warm. You know, I don't want to cold plunge. Yeah, it feels good. You guys ready? Guys, I'm trying to have my GoPro working. I could have used my drone up here, but let's go ahead and use the GoPro and see if I will be able to get the clips that I want so that I can show you the skills. This guy likes to work out more than me. He has good swimming skills. He just loves being inside the water. And I'm going to show you how Pepper is good at swimming more than me. I don't know what's happening with my GoPro. It's not working today. Oh, it's working now. Okay. Oh, the battery is dying. Guys, you see what we go through when we are creating content, you know? We have to get this. Sometimes you have to have backup batteries, filming gears, different types of filming gears. And those things cost so much. I can tell you I've invested more than 5 grand to my filming gears because I want to make sure that I'm showing all the angles when I'm trying to do exercise or any kind of training that I do. This battery is at least 53%. I don't know why I left them to be 53. Normally I keep my GoPro at least 100%. So I'm going to keep this one here so that we can show both sides. Let's see this one here. Okay, good. Perfect. So let's go inside the water. Pepper is going to go inside the water with me, and so that we can do this. I'm really good with running and all that, but for some reasons, inside the water is so hard for me. And for the swim coaches outside there, I don't think I have fear for like water. I think I do very well. I'm very confident inside the water. I can save myself, but for some reasons, I need to work on my skills. And Chody, I'm going to come to you so that you can teach me how to swim very well. And since I am a coach, I will be able to help a lot of people outside there. So Pepper is already inside the water, and I'm going to join him. Okay. Pepper, join me. Pepper, come. Come, come, come. Come. Show me how to swim. Oh, the water is so cold. Come. Come here. Come. Come, come, come. Come. Come here. Come inside the water. I'm going to try and put this camera so that you guys can see everything. There you go, guys. I can go with this one. Guys, now I'm going to try to go underwater from that side all the way to this side. For those guys, when they see me doing muscle ups and they ask me, where are you going to use your muscle up? I'm going to show you where you can use your muscle up. So this is one of the exercise coming out of the swimming pool. You have to pull yourself and then press down. That's how you do a muscle up. And I see a lot of people trying to even do dips to come out of the swimming pool. So you guys are going to see me do the muscle up here and also do the dip so that you can understand the difference. That's one way of coming out of the swimming pool, just doing the muscle up. So next I'm going to show you how to do the dips when you're coming out of the swimming pool. So from here, you hold it behind you, then you come up, other way, this way. You go inside, you just come up. Not a lot of people can do that. Pepper, come, 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 come. The last move that I'm going to show you guys, it's swimming on my back. I don't know, maybe because I have too much muscle, it's so hard for me to swim on my back because I just go down immediately. But someone told me it's the skills and all that. So this is me showing you guys the side that I am not strong in. I'm working on it, and I think this year this is gonna be my goal because as we get older, we start doing low impact exercises. Swimming is the best exercise for people who are working on their low impact recovery after surgery and all that because you're not putting too much pressure on your joints. You're trying to be inside the water, just moving and making sure that you're doing something better for you. Okay, so let me show you guys me swimming on my back. I feel like I have good range of motion on my shoulders before you guys start commenting about that. And I don't know. I think. Let's go ahead and try again. That was good. I moved. I think I'm done for today. And I'm going to work on my swimming skills. I feel like, that's something that I need to address, something that I need to work on. Hope you guys can see that sometimes we are not good at everything. We keep working on the things that we know we don't do well. And for me, it's swimming. And I can't wait to show you guys uh, my skills after training and after taking swimming serious. Uh, yeah, so Thank you for watching this video. I can't wait to hear, I can't wait to see your comment and what advice you guys have for me. Okay, see you on the next one.